This is Viking. We're gonna hit that! Right, are you ready?
Where do you think I can go?
Oh shit!
Oh, let's do it now!
What's up, drivers? Welcome to 6 Minute Saturdays. I'm your host, Dashcam Hull. Let's see what's been happening in Hull since the last one. We're starting out pretty serious today, I'm afraid, as a Hull taxi driver got held at knife point for over 40 minutes by this complete menace as he demanded cash and then told the driver to get in his own boot. The driver managed to flee and sought the help of another taxi driver who then got one of his tyres slashed by this maniac. Thankfully, he was found, arrested and jailed for 7 years, but sadly the lasting effects of the incident has led the taxi driver to quit his job. Can't say I blame him. Hopefully the driver can consider different driving jobs or switch to daytime airport runs, but either way I wish them all the best and I hope that they can get the help they need to recover from this terrifying ordeal. Speaking of terrifying ordeals, check out this clip that my Uncle Tim sent me. This security camera captures a car in Richmond that collides with a house following a suspected medical episode. The only update so far is that the driver was taken to hospital by helicopter, so hopefully they've since made a full recovery. Over on Wheeler Street, a Biffa lorry driver significantly raised his own blood pressure by leaning on his horn at an unoccupied illegally parked car that I can only assume was preventing him from reversing into where he wanted.
Is it air cat?
I can't help but think it may have been quicker for him to park up and go in the Rainbow Centre where the driver obviously was.
He wants to be down there. I think he wants to be in there,
But I guess his method worked eventually too. And now, because nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday... Sorry. I will never do that again. I probably don't unsubscribe, I'm sorry. We have a selection of clips from Emu that prove driving in Georgia requires much more patience and self-control than driving in the UK. Every roundabout just seems like a complete free-for-all. The bridges sound like they can barely support a horse and cart. Right turns just no longer exist.
Take the next right, then turn right.
But of course, Prius drivers still don't have a clue what they're doing. At least some things are universal. Back in the UK, and... Kinda really wish we had a rare clip of that one, Emu. Sounded juicy. Now though, I offer my sincerest preemptive apologies to a certain demographic of my audience, as we take a look at some senior moments. Joe encounters a stereotypical jazz driver who doesn't feel the need to look before entering a roundabout. Then Moose Walla encounters this older lady who gives a very strange wave of thanks before just pulling out blindly into live traffic.
Oh, hello there!
But just for balance, this clip from Tom J proves that the young'uns are just as bloody hopeless. It's time to hand out the award for this month's donkeys.
You f***ing donkey!
That's the thing, isn't it? It's, yeah. Fucking swat. What the fuck was that about?
Video protect.
Can I just ask why taking a swing out towards me was necessary when you clearly didn't need to do that for the turn?
Fucking swat. What the fuck was that about?
It's kind of hard to tell, but if you slow this clip down, you can clearly tell that he's rubbernecking towards the woman on the pavement, and he doesn't look back towards the road until he's already veering into my lane. Donkey. Today's second donkey you've probably seen before because this clip went pretty viral recently. This absolutely dumb felt like it was a great idea to take both of her hands off the wheel to text while driving. What happens next is pure karma. That right there is the shriek of a professional victim. No doubt whoever she was arguing with over text just got the blame for that. She then makes direct eye contact with the Mowforth T130 and has the audacity to lie to the owner of the vehicle about what happened. Oh yeah, did I not mention she was driving a rental? This was some random dude's car through a car sharing app. She should be thanking every god that she does or does not believe in that the car didn't veer to the left in front of that cement lorry. Moving from the stupidity of humans to the stupidity of animals, let's have a look at how a variety of species deal with surviving on the roads. Obviously Bugs has made his usual wrong turn at Albuquerque. Moosewala narrowly avoids taking one of this cat's 9 lives. Mr. Peanut Butter does the job with a casual, confident stroll. I encounter a baby seagull that hasn't grown the self-preservation part of its brain yet.
Seagull, you've got to move. Fucking hell, he's actually not going to move. I thought it was going to just fly off when I got near him.
And another bird brain doesn't get quite as lucky, so for all my squeamish viewers out there, look away now. But anyway, that's all we have time for. If you like this video, give it a like, give me a sub, hype it up even though that button doesn't appear on some platforms for some reason, it is what it is. Have a gander at the links in my description to buy the things I personally recommend, and we'll have another chinwag really soon. Peace! Oh, got a bit of heartburn. Give me a minute. At least I hope it's heartburn. I hope this isn't how I go out filming a 6 Minute Saturdays.